John here with WPDevoted.com. Today I wanted to show beginners how they can change their WordPress password. I've seen people asking this question, so I figured today I would do a quick video on how to do that. So it's pretty simple. You just come over here to Users and inside your dashboard. So click on Users, and then whatever account that you're wanting to change will show up here, and just click Edit and then scroll down to where you see the password. Now this button here that says Generate Password, you would click it and then you would delete out that and put in your new password, whatever you want your password to be, and then you would click Update Profile, and then your password would now be changed. So it's that easy, folks. That's how it's done. And also, you should, if your WordPress website's set up right, would send you an email letting you know that your password had been changed. So if this video helped you guys out, please like and share it. I appreciate it, and I look forward to continuing to make videos for you guys. So thank you.